What are some catalysts that happen every single year that cause some stocks to go up? Yeah. So, yeah, a catalyst means an event that gets investors excited about a stock, which makes it go up. And so Wayne Gretzky, the best hockey player in the world, and God bless his father, Walter, who just passed away. But Wayne Gretzky used to say he was successful not because he skated to where the puck is, but rather because he skated to where the puck is going to be. And so we have to have the foresight of investing in companies that people are going to like. How do we do this? Well, a great way to invest in companies is invest in companies that have a news release coming up that everyone knows about, like a new product. So, for example, Take-Two, ticker TTWO, it usually goes up a lot whenever they release a new version of Grand Theft Auto, for example. That's a catalyst or a reason to be there. And I'll give you another example. Years ago, I invested in LGF, which is the ticker for Lionsgate Films. And the reason I invested is because I read the Hunger Games trilogy, and I found out that Lionsgate Film was going to create movies based on that. 4 movies, not 3 actually. And so I thought of, oh my gosh, every time they release a movie, all 3 or 4 Hunger Games, whatever it is, that's a catalyst, a reason to be there. And it gets investors excited. You don't want to buy stocks everybody loves today, because if everybody loves them today, there's not that many incremental investors to push it higher. You want to buy stocks that people are going to love. And so you always want to look at catalysts. Now, there's other catalysts that are more macro based. For example, the Olympics. And so in 2008 in Beijing, they had the Olympics. And a great 10-year investment trend was to own companies that would benefit from building infrastructure in China. Because China was building up infrastructure to show the world as their coming out party, so to speak, or coming of age party, whatever it is. And so you can invest in companies back then like Caterpillar or Komatsu, which make equipment for making buildings and all that great stuff. And I remember back in '07, I met with the CFO of United Technologies, ticker UTX. And at that point in time, they owned a brand called Otis Elevators. And the CFO told me at that point that in the next 5 years in China, more buildings are going to be built than the cumulative total of all buildings ever built in every country. That's a great catalyst. Yeah. So anyway, that's kind of a top-down catalyst as well, as opposed to bottoms-up. But you always want to invest in stocks that investors are going to like, and being mindful of catalysts or reasons to be there in your investment write-up, which I teach about in my courses, will help you stay the course, longer term if the market goes into free fall. You'll always be able to go back to that one-page write-up and see what was the reason I was involved in this stock anyway in the first place. What was the catalyst or raison d'être.